to go.
Yeah. Guy just said to us to be careful on the road because it's all like this.
Yeah, it's like up,
Yeah.
uphill, downhill.
Yeah. Uphill and downhill. Yeah, so we're not going to get back on the road after a quick snack, and we'll see you later.
They tell me that I'm never gonna make it. They want me to do something that can make sense. They hate.
Kami ngikutin arahan Google Maps hingga sampai di sini. Dan mas-mas yang tadi aku tanyain juga bilang bener kok ini jalannya. Tapi medannya curam dan berlubang. Jadi curiga nyasar nih. Dan akhirnya kejadian deh. Nyasar plus sesuatu yang gak diinginkan terjadi pada motor saat.
Oh no. Young, my clutch is burnt. My clutch is burning. Just stay there, Young. Stay there. Stay there. Just stay there. My clutch is burnt. It's okay. Yeah, it just needs to cool down. Just wait a sec, Young. Oh no. Oh, I couldn't see you. You want me to come help? Shall I come help? Say, do you want me to come or not? Okay, I'll leave my bike here.
Ya, jadi sekarang kita udah nyasar. Terus si Agus nggak mau nyala nih. Padahal api ada. Semua stabil. Nggak tahu nih apa. Dan ini in the middle of nowhere. Seriously, like
Yeah.
nggak ada penerangan juga. Ini udah mulai gelap. Kita nggak tahu jadinya kayak gimana. Abang ini, abangnya ternyata dari mana bang? Dari Myanmar. Orang Myanmar abangnya. Udah 18 tahun di Lombok. Kita masih mencoba. Nih bagaimana caranya supaya ini bisa jalan si Agus ini.
Kenapa ya? Okay, so we're now going down the hill. Okay, yeah? You sure, yeah? Now going down the hill. Shit brakes. And trying to bump start. It doesn't want to. Let's try first for a laugh, should we? Oh my god, that sounds horrible.
Abangnya bantu kita di atas dan ngajak kita ke bengkel terdekat. Kaget deh montirnya pas dia lihat Vespa yang masuk. Karena jujur aja dia belum pernah sama sekali nanganin Vespa.
Yo, so Agus is fixed, finally. We're not 100% sure what it was, but the carburetor was loose, and yeah, we don't really know, but it's all good. Yeah, that's the guy. Yo, so we made it home last night, didn't do a sign off, batteries were dead, and we were absolutely knackered. But we are now gonna head to get the tickets for the 20-hour ferry to Surabaya.
Yeah.
So we've got our tickets. We've been waiting here for a few hours because the port, well, the boat doesn't leave until midnight, we think, roughly. So we're gonna go there now. I mean, it's like 6 o'clock in the evening now. We're gonna go there. We've just been talking to these guys. from Sumatra. They're going round, climbing mountains around Indonesia on their Vespas. Pretty cool. Yeah, we'll probably see some more of them later. We'll see you at the port. All our stuff. And bikes are over there.
You say all the stuff? Say him. Like,
Yeah.
literally.
All the stuff.
All the stuff.
Man, this place is busy. And the bags are heavy. Oh. You're kidding, 20 hours. Yeah, everything down the bottom is full. So it may just be the kids' play park over there. To sleep in. You're kidding, man. Well, this is what it is. But yeah, it seems like all the foot passengers get a seat or a bed because they get on first. So we were like the first bikes on, like in the first 20 bikes, and there's no beds or no seats left.
This is from tape fermentation of sticky rice, red sticky rice. It's really nice.
Yeah?
Yeah, smell it. Nice, yeah?
Oh yeah, it smells like wine almost.
They
Yeah.
call it brum. Brum. Yeah. Berapa ini? Gini. Berapa? 16,000.
Wow.
Less than £1.
Quite a lot less than £1. Sleep wasn't great, but I am fucked now.
20 jam perjalanan laut membuat kita sangat kelelahan. Tapi kami mencoba menikmati perjalanan ini. Indahnya pemandangan dan banyak teman-teman Vespa juga yang berlayar bersama kami membuat suasana menjadi ceria. Halo, selamat siang. Ini masih di kapal. Ini jam berapa nih? Jam 11.40 waktu Indonesia. Mana? Indonesia mana weh? Indonesia Wita ya, tengah. Indonesia tengah. Ini kita lagi ngopi dulu nih sama teman-teman. Ngopi bos. Ngopi dong. Kalau nggak ngopi dosa. Barista. Ngopinya orang Indonesia.
Barista.
Kopi sih. Ayo dong, top kopi. Indonesia dong. Sawer dong, sawer. Ya gimana tuh top kopi nih.
We're out, getting maps sorted, little regroup, then we're off.
He doesn't have flight yet, so you
Yeah,
have to
I go in the middle.
He's in the middle, okay?
Yeah.
Tiga minggu di Bali dan 4 hari di Lombok. Sekarang, inilah kami, kembali memijakan kaki di tanah Jawa. Perpisahan bukanlah akhir ya. Semoga video kami juga bisa menjadi kenang-kenangan tentang jejak silaturahmi kita. Sehat selalu saudara-saudaraku. Semoga kita bisa berjumpa lagi di lain waktu. Salam manis, Bule Gembel.
Aku bulenya.
Dan aku gembelnya.
Hey.